Welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing the systematic response to a boiler uptake or funnel fire aboard a ship. This type of fire is caused by the accumulation of unburnt soot and carbon deposits in the exhaust gas passages, which then ignite. A funnel fire poses a risk of damaging the boiler structure and spreading hot embers, but the danger is often manageable if correct procedures are followed. The first step is immediate identification and alarm. The initial sign is usually a roaring noise from the funnel, sparks, or bright red embers ejecting from the top. Immediately shut down the affected boiler. Activate the nearest fire alarm and communicate the casualty. Boiler uptake fire, boiler number 1 secured. Notify the bridge immediately, as the fire and sparks are a visibility hazard. The second step is fuel and air isolation. This is the key to extinguishing the fire. Completely stop the supply of fuel oil to the affected boiler burner. Ensure the oil supply valves are closed and locked. Crucially, completely shut down the forced draft fan, the induced draft fan, and all dampers associated with the boiler. Cutting off all airflow suffocates the fire by eliminating the oxygen necessary for combustion. The third step is soot blowing and steam smothering. If the vessel is equipped with a fixed steam smothering system for the uptake, the designated engineer must prepare to activate it. This system injects high-pressure steam into the uptake and economizer spaces, which displaces the air and suppresses the fire. If the fire is minor and the soot blower system is operational, a controlled, heavy soot-blowing operation may be initiated, which dislodges the burning soot into the ash pit. The fourth step is continuous monitoring and boundary cooling. The boiler casing, the uptake trunking, and the surrounding decks must be continuously monitored for excessive heat using thermal scanners. The fire party must be ready to initiate boundary cooling with fire hoses on decks and bulkheads adjacent to the uptake. Never spray water directly into the boiler or uptake, as this can cause a steam explosion and severe structural damage. The fifth step is post-fire inspection and restart. Once the roaring noise ceases and the sparks stop, the fire is out. The funnel must be allowed to cool completely. An inspection of the boiler's internal surfaces and the soot accumulation spaces must be carried out before any attempt to restart. The cause, often poor combustion control, must be identified and corrected. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.